2 years ago, I decided to go big. Whew, man, it's been one hell of a ride. I got my life back. I attended masterminds. I was able to travel. I traveled to Italy. I traveled to San Francisco for the very first time. I traveled to Barcelona, which will forever be the most special place, or one of the most special places in my life, because I got proposed in Barcelona. I strongly believe in the power of video, and with Facebook Live, you can instantly make sales with this amazing medium for free. Don't take my word for it. Here's what Billie Jean has to say. Why do you live stream for your business?
Because it's the best way to actually connect with people. So like, there's something powerful between the connection of like us being live and you actually say like Antonio just jumped on, like what's up Antonio? And it's real, you know what I mean? Like versus something scripted or pre-recorded, it's like they're just selling. This is like, no, we're connecting. So shout out to Justin, shout out to Israel, you know what I mean? Like we can actually say what's up to these people and that's all the magic, because that's the difference between someone watching and buying.
Okay, why should any business do video, period?
Because without it, you don't exist. Straight up. Like, if you don't have video now, you're fucked. I don't know how to say it. It's real, though. You know what I mean?
Right.
I don't want you to get fucked. Unless you want to. Anyways. Here's
what Sunny Lenarduzzi has to say. Why do you use video for your business?
I use video for my business because I don't think there's any better way to build trust and your authority and your expertise. Because when people see you live or they see you on camera, they can look in your eyes, they can get a sense of your personality, they can get a sense of the fact if you're actually telling the truth and a true expert, and we all know there's a lot of BS out there. So it's very helpful to do video in your business.
And even though it's been 2 years, I have also come to realization that many people feel like this still. Hi. My name is Monique Johnson from Both Sides of the Camera. No, I hated that. Okay, let me try that again. Hi, my name is Monique Johnson. You got this. Hi, my name is Monique Johnson from Both Sides of the Camera. Hi, my name is Monique Johnson. Being on camera is tough. In fact, just the thought of it makes you want to do this. What about the process of doing your hair when it looks completely flat, if you're wearing 4 eyes, glasses in case you didn't know, and have to put in your contacts? And let's not forget about your makeup. We know how important that is, especially for us ladies. Put on that foundation, concealer. We gotta make sure we have those eyes looking beautiful and bright. Okay, Monique, you got this. Okay, I got this. All right. Whoop! There's only one small detail that is left of not knowing what to say. Oh my goodness, I'm so nervous in front of this camera. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got this. All right. Okay. Here's also what Billie Jean thinks. Since you run an agency and there's a lot of agencies out there, they don't necessarily use video. So why are you using so much transparency with video?
Because they're out of business.
Okay.
So you're going to go out of business. I mean, it's crazy, like, how people don't see that. Like, there was a time when I was just talking to someone, and I said, me and Dave were talking about this. I said, dude, there was a time where everybody thought this website thing was a fact. I don't need a fucking website. What I need a website for? Yeah. Oh, you heard this one? What I need a Facebook for? Yeah. Right? So now I think it's funny. People are like, I don't need video. Okay. All right. Like, I don't. So for me right now, I just see it as like everybody's in that stage with video of like, put it this way. I don't think anyone disagrees that they need video, but I think people lie to themselves so they don't have to do video.
Yeah.
Right? Because then once you say, yeah, you're right, I have to do video, fuck, now you got to do video. You got to be on camera, you're uncomfortable on camera, this is my good angle, this is my bad angle, do I sound stupid? Right? Like all that shit happens. But if you can get through it, no one's doing it. That's my whole game. I just try and do everything that no one's doing.
But over the last 2 years, the most profound thing that stood out to me, the most profound thing that I found as a constant reminder is all I need is my phone. I don't need the fancy equipment. And granted, I do have it, but I don't need that. All I need is my phone. Here's an example of one of my best performing live streams year to date. Hey, what's up, guys? Hopefully you guys can hear me because I have this handy. This is the great thing about having a microphone is if you're in a very busy area like I am, one of the busiest airports in the world, ATL, Hartsfield, then you know the importance of making sure you have great audio because it's so loud. I look like hot trash today. I'm on my way to Colorado for the very first time ever, Colorado Springs. I'm really, really excited to see the scenery, to see I want you to meet Kelly McCausey. Kelly McCausey is a student of mine, but also an amazing entrepreneur who's been online for many, many years. And after she went live on Facebook, within 24 hours, she was able to instantly sell out an in-person mastermind. Imagine 24 hours, people from across the country reserving their seat to a mastermind and booking their flight to come visit you in Michigan. Kelly is amazing, and as you can see, she goes live consistently to not only sell different events, but various programs. And she utilizes both her business page and her Facebook group. I want to introduce to you Brig Johnson. Doesn't she look freaking amazing? Look at this hot mama. No, we're not related, but she specializes in helping women in their 50s and over deal with not only the mindset, but also helping out with weight loss. As you can see, Brig taps into the science. She does whiteboards. She just goes live casually as she's walking. She goes live as she's cooking these amazing meals in her kitchen. And as a result, she's been able to get clients into her coaching program. In fact, when we first started working together, she was able to sell out half of the spots of her coaching program within 24 hours. I want to introduce to you Lynn Terry. Lynn Terry is also an amazing online entrepreneur. Has been in business for about 23 years. She's a super affiliate. She's in the e-commerce space. I mean, the greatest thing is that she's very passionate about teaching people how to live on a ketogenic lifestyle, not diet. How she's able to keep her body constantly in ketosis. And one of the things that she leads with is that she does not cook. What's really cool is that Lynn is showing people how to live the ketogenic lifestyle by eating out, by eating at various restaurants, what to look for, what to say. And in addition, all of the various products that she uses to maintain that lifestyle while she's at home. Yeah, she doesn't cook, but she uses certain products not only for dietary reasons, but also for other things of her health. And as a result of her going live for the first time on Facebook, she was able to generate $17,000 within 8 days. Since then, she's been a student of mine and has been able to constantly crash various merchants' websites just by going live and talking about the products that she uses. She showcases them, and she will let you know whether she likes them or not. She keeps it real. And last but not the very least, she even tackles some hard, quote unquote, topics that people you would not think would originally tackle, but she's very transparent. So she'll even cover things like the depression or the negativity or setbacks that you may experience, especially if you're looking to transition or start the ketogenic lifestyle. And because I came to the realization of how simple and easy it is to generate leads and sales using your phone, I began to use it everywhere. Here I am doing it while hiking in Tennessee.
What I love about being an entrepreneur is being able to explore places like this, right? Where I can up and leave, or if I decide, okay, today I'm going to take off and really make this happen and go with some.
Here I am doing it while I'm waiting on a flight, or rather I'm stuck in an airport and just using my phone.
Airport to go to Dallas, Texas, and I figured, I'm doing these live streams. It's late, but it's never too late to create. It's never too late to create video, and so.
Introducing the new and improved Live Authority program. This is my live and training system program where you can get live and direct coaching from me, along with tools to help create what I call your triple threat step system to sell on Facebook Live and social media profitably in 60 days. And it's okay if you have a small or zero amount of followers, and if you've never done live video before, and heck, if you're nervous to be in front of the camera. When I made $20,000 when I first launched Live Authority 2 years ago, I only had 250 followers. So you don't need 100,000 followers. You don't need 10,000 followers. Heck, you don't even need 1,000 followers to grow your business and make money directly on Facebook. Live Authority is all about helping you go live on Facebook without being boring and be profitable as quickly as possible. It's also about helping you sell your course, product, or service without touching a finger on building it and attracting the right customers and students. And lastly, you're able to do all of this without using professional equipment or having thousands of followers first. If you're here right now, it is your time. This program was created for you. It is not an accident. You are here because you see that you have something unique. You have value to share with the world, and you're ready to use my help to help you build your triple threat streams. So if you're active on Facebook, a micro-influencer, you're transitioning out of corporate into entrepreneurship, you have an existing offer, have some existing content, have no existing offer, or have a smaller existing audience. So whether you're a professional, consultant, a coach, an author, a podcaster, a YouTuber, an expert, a multi-passionate content creator, a speaker, a person who owns a mom and pop shop, a person who has a physical location, a physical office, this program is for you. Oh, one other thing. Here's also what Billy thinks.
Thank you so much, Billy, for taking out the time again.
Everyone
We're
follow
at
her
Creative
and buy
Live.
anything from her.